How to use Newegg Referral program. In order to use the Newegg Referral program, you can share a quick link or code from your account to earn promotional gift card when your friend or family makes qualifying purchase. Now, Newegg often runs the days as a limited time promotion, such as a recent Newegg mobile referral program. What you need is sign into your Newegg account first thing first. Once you do it, so you then need to go ahead and locate or navigate to a referral section. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the profile, and there you want to make sure to go ahead and look for these option that says a referral. You could just simply go ahead and tap your profile as well and look for these options. So basically you will be able to find, or you could also share with others. You could tap on it, you could look for accounts, and there you want to make sure to go and look for a referral. So once you go ahead and look for these options, you could simply go ahead and look for the share options and then share it with your friends or family. And whenever the person creates account using your referral link, you will be able to get certain amount in your account. So that's how you're supposed to use a Newegg referral link. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.